Hello everybody and welcome to one of our online how to use product pure beauty videos. In today's video I'm going to be focusing on one of the Decleor products from the Lavender Fine range called the Lifting Flash Mask. Now this is one of their hero products and it's a really unique mask as it actually can just be used for 1 minute and you can still get amazing results from just using it for that 1 minute. You can sleep in this product or leave it on longer if you want to. For clients who are quite quick on the go, they are quite impatient, they don't like to wait around for a mask too long, this is a perfect product to use. So you use it once or twice a week. Once you've cleansed your face, you're then going to pop on a thin, even layer of this product on the face. And there are a few massage movements that you can do on top of this mask to get really nice lifted result. Now this is a few different yoga massage movements. So you're starting with your thumb and your index finger, gripping that jawline on the chin, and you are putting a firm pressure as you squeeze them together but lift up and glide out. And you are then going to repeat this process all along the jawline until you get all the way up to the ears. And you are doing this for 10 seconds. So firm pressure, pinching up and gliding out all the way along, and you're doing this for 10 seconds. Once you've done that, you are then using the palm of your hand to lift the lower part of the jawline right to the temple here. And then once you've done it with the one hand, you are then going to repeat with the other hand and do alternate hands. You're then doing this for 10 seconds on this side and repeating on this side. Really get a good lift right underneath the cheekbone to really mould around your facial contours to help lift with a firm pressure. Once you've done 10 seconds on this side, you are then going to cup your hands and do little tapping movements over the lower of your face to help stimulate that blood flow. Again, 10 seconds, and once you've done that, you will then come into the top of the forehead, finger on top of finger, and you are then kind of ironing out your wrinkles. Any lines in between the brows you're going to smooth out, firm pressure, gliding out any of the lines on the forehead, and again firm slow pressure just like you're ironing and smoothing out those wrinkles, and you're bringing them down to the temple, and you're doing this movement for 20 seconds. And then once you've finished that movement, you can either then leave the mask on for longer if you wish, but you don't have to. You can just remove with warm water straight after those movements once it's been on for a minute. Remove with warm water, warm compress, however you prefer to remove your product, and then you can pop your finishing products on afterwards. Now, the reason it's really great to try and massage your face with these kind of yoga massage routines every day is because it gets the blood moving, which helps the blood circulation, creates a nice glowing effect on the skin for you, but it also helps to reduce the tension in the face, helps improve the contours, and it also just helps, like I say, smooth out the wrinkles and just really improve the contours of the face to give a nice lifting effect. Now this product, like I say, once or twice a week. It is available online with us at www.pure-beauty.co.uk, and it's the Decleor Lavender Fine Lifting Flash Mask. Hope this has been helpful. A nice little home indulgent mini massage treat for you to do.